can see in the descriptive and statistics table, you can see there are some of the maximum number.
已經係呢個 course 嘅最後一堂，跟住 Year 2最後一堂，大家我哋要一齊 celebrate 呢件事情。但其實我成日覺得，完成有一個少少可惜位，就係我成日覺得每一次喺一個 sem 度識嘅人啦，都好似係一個 sem 的友誼咁樣，跟住就完咗就可能好耐之後先會再見咁樣啦。But I guess that's the beauty of university. I guess 即係你會 keep 住一路咁識到好多人咁樣啦。而家就到 final 嘅部分啦。OK, hey guys, hey bestie， 我咧就係要喺呢度同大家立一個 flag， 就係啦，我嚟緊呢幾日直到我完 sem 咧，我都會用心，我都會努力溫書嘅。其實總共有4個 final 要考啦，咁咧分別就係呢個 finance 啦、business analytics 啦、management 啦，同埋 consumer behaviour 嘅。project 嘅 report 咧就有3份要寫啦。Slay my finals， 大家今日係5月3號，我幾時完 sem 咧？5月20號。哇！我真係未試過咁遲完 sem。OK，let's do it, guys. Let's start. Slay！ 哇！呢個燈光搞到我好似好靚喎而家。咁咧今日係5月5號啦，咁咧我5月7號咧就我第一科考試啦，咁就係 consumer behaviour 啦。咁咧我而家就喺度溫緊我之前整落嘅 study cards， 咁咧就係呢啲 study cards 啦，咁就可以 flip 過嚟咁樣啦。其實明天咧都係要交一份 group project 咁樣。懷疑遇到一個 free rider 啦，咁揾 group 微咧真係要小心啲，真係小心啲。我真係〜哇！好生氣啊！我真的是，雖然我知到最後即係我哋都會交到嗰份嘢啦，咁但係好激氣喎！即係而家 final period 大家忙合理嘅，咁但係都唔係咁啊，係咪先 ？Oh my god！Oh my god！Update 都算佢有啲良心，都將佢個 part 寫咗落個 doc report 度喺239之前。唉，唔理啦，繼續溫書，繼續溫書。I just got home, you guys。我想講，我今朝起身到而家都未食嘢，而家11點22分。今日個 final，it's okay. We don't have much time, cause literally I have another final tomorrow. 不過全部都係 MC 嚟嘅 ，so I'm not super worried。OK guys， 今日啱啱 submit 咗另外一份 group project 啦，咁而家嘅進度咧就剩翻2份 final， 1份 group project。其實呢幾日我都有少少 stress 啦，有少少 anxious 咁樣啦。成個5月其實都應該有95% 嘅時間都係留喺屋企，就快完啦。同埋大家覺得我呢副眼鏡好睇啲，一定係前面 Clips 嗰啲眼鏡好睇啲？因為我懷疑我呢副眼鏡咧，我有一日咧好似唔小心打咗，跟住搞到佢咧，見唔見到佢？好似移咗位啊！佢好似。Let me know in the comments, you guys. Okay, let's study again. Hey guys，泰國水衣 is back and we are officially 剩翻一個考試啦 ，which is amazing。近排咧，我覺得自己屈咗喺屋企太耐啦，我真係覺得開始有啲唔掂啦，咁所以我就決定 switch the environment 一下啦，咁就去呢個自修室啦。And it turns out to be much better。最近呢幾日咧就喺度寫緊呢幾個呢個 cheat sheet 啦，咁咧就係 which is allowed in the exam and yeah，而家剩翻一日就完成啦，大家。Seeing some trouble over here 我識講我細佬近排咧係咁樣講呢句啦，好搞笑。我有機會嘅話，我俾大家睇我細佬演繹呢一句。但係 anyways，終於完成啦，終於完成，真係好開心。因為我覺得呢個 semester 我冇話過得超級開心啦，我就好似一直就喺度應付緊我啲功課啊、考試啊，跟住就冇乜時間 explore 下其他東西咁樣啦。就我知道嚟緊迎接嘅生活咧會非常之有趣啦。同埋可以同大家輕輕透露一下啦，其實我下一個 semester I will not be in HKU 你哋快啲 subscribe， 你未 subscribe 快啲撳下邊個掣，快啲去 subscribe。我哋下條片再見，OK bye。